That right there is Interstate I-70 running through Columbus, Ohio. That runs way out west through St. Louis, Denver. So there's Blacklick Circle, which is Indian earthwork discovered in 2017, is right up this hill. This is all Blacklick Creek Park right here. I'm about to go fishing right in that little hole right there. But this is a great place to go find rocks. A lot of stones around here. You just see some things just come alive. You just start picking rocks up that look suspiciously like they've been worked on.